on going home. So I just found out that the most interesting thing of my day was a gay couple. There was a guy just behind you guys, right here, with a bunch of flowers, standing there, and I was thinking to myself, oh, what is this? Apparently, about 20 minutes later, I seen him walking that way. And 10 minutes after that, I looked back and I seen the guy come out of the door. And when he came out of the door, he had the same bunch of flowers that the guy standing over there had. So obviously they're partners. Anyway, reason of the story, that's the most interesting thing that's happened in my day, which is quite sad.
He told me a story and I said to him, why do you care? And he goes, because I've had a shit day.
That's why I care, guys. When you have crap days, you'll understand me that when you have crap days, the weirdest things just seem to stand out to you. And I guess it's because of boredom or what, but it happens. And also sitting out in front of coffee shops. Sitting out front of coffee shops, you see a lot of interesting stuff when you're having a shit day. So we gotta take footage of interesting stuff so that you guys don't get bored as fuck and listen to us talk shit over the camera.
Like this part here where we're both talking is interesting, but the adventures and taking footage of it.
Yeah, because what we find interesting, just like what one of our fans gave feedback on.
Thank you, Clarice.
Thank you, Clarice. You know, what we might be interested in, what is not what you guys might be interested in. You know, what we're interested in is, you know, adventure and being out there, experiencing. Pig. And that's what it's like to be slapped in the face by a paper bag. So you guys probably seen that shit. And because Princess decided to bitch slap yous onto the fucking paper bag. What did that feel like? See, ladies and gentlemen, coffee is not the answer to all of your solutions. When you are feeling tired, coffee does not. It's a video on what not to do. I'm so fucking bored right now, but I'm gonna walk around. So like I was saying before, who likes politics? Alright, we're on our way to find the chemist right now. And people are looking at me like I'm dumb, like I'm stupid, but...
You want to get to know what we're about on YouTube, so... You know?
And... what?
The way I see it is that there's millions and millions of people in this world, and you gotta stand out. But you got to stand out, and you gotta not be afraid to stand out. Created our own together.
Yeah. So it didn't print out where we were going and what destination it was and what type of ticket it was, single, and the date. So we just created our own and just wrote our own stuff on there.
Yeah, so for that's what you do in Sydney when you don't.
Exactly, that's what you do.
You just grab a pen and write.
Just grab a pen and you just grab a blank ticket like that, and you just write your own destination and everything else. And yeah, so that's it.
Bye.
Second.